Hi traders, and welcome to our Friday Money Market Update. In this report today, rather than look at the charts, which really aren't showing us a heck of a lot right now, anything new for us to look at, it's pretty much a similar story all throughout the course of this week in both stocks and currency markets. I will say though, my Euro-Yen position, I'm going to exit that trade this morning. I have no patience for waiting in that position. The FX market this year is very challenging. There's a lot more money for us to be made in stocks right now. We will continue to take the FX trades that meet the criteria, but given the fact I've already been in this position for a couple of weeks, there's no point staying in this position and drawing down on swap fees and all those sorts of things. So although the profit will be small, I'll be exiting out of that position this morning. It's really important over the course of your trading and investing career that you build up a great mindset with respect to the instant gratification, or I guess the trapdoor that you want to close with respect to that instant gratification that we often get sucked into as traders and investors. A lot of people, they come into the financial markets and they feel like they want to see their expectations fulfilled consistently on a regular basis. And, you know, as Charlie Munger likes to say, delayed gratification is ultimately the way in which that you're going to make the most amount of money throughout your investing and trading career. This year, we've done exceptionally well on some stocks and we've done average in the FX market. But over the course of the next 3 to 5 years, I'm very confident that those of you that are investing diligently now in those great quality businesses will reap the returns and the profits that are available over the years ahead. And if we're able to suppress that instant gratification feeling that you often have, you know, you get bored with the market, so you start placing trades. I mean, I'm going to constantly remind you, those of you that are fascinated by technical analysis and then get deeply involved in technical analysis, you're wasting your time because you're not going to figure it out. If you think you're going to figure it out, don't you think investment banks and hedge funds would have figured it out over the last 100 years? And they haven't figured it out either. The right way to make money in financial markets is investing with a two-pronged approach. Understand a fundamental directional view, understand where there is value, and make sure you please read today's story about the bandwagon. Put that together with great risk management, behave correctly, and you've got a recipe for success over time. But please don't waste your time getting fascinated with technical analysis and back testing and all these sorts of things, because whilst it is useful in what we do, it is not something that you're going to master, because there isn't anybody out there that has done that. And those few that say that technical analysis is all you need, I personally, frankly, disagree. Because I know how much money can be made in financial markets, first and foremost, by understanding a fundamental reason why markets are rising and falling. The tech sector right now is a classic example. Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Adobe, Afterpay, all of these businesses are skyrocketing higher because of fundamental things. Nothing to do with a set of charts, nothing whatsoever. And your success as an investor is going to come from understanding those important things. And from time to time, when we need to look at a set of charts to see where prices are with respect to where they've been previously, some key levels for us to look at, particularly in the lows, then we will do that. But don't get sucked in to this fascination with technical analysis and thinking that you'll master it or a strategy, because it's not likely going to happen. Have an awesome Friday, guys. Look after yourself. Very sadly, we lost another friend to suicide this week. It's 3 friends in 5 years. And whilst you and I don't get to see each other very often, and some of us I've never met you before, please make sure you keep your family and friends close. And if you are concerned at all about anyone and their mental health, make sure you reach out to them, because you never know, you might just save their life. Have a good day, guys. See you Monday.